Have you ever wondered why takeout chicken is so tender? This 19-minute chicken and mushroom stir fry shows you exactly how. I have 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Which one do you like better? Chicken thighs or chicken breast? Cut chicken thighs into small pieces. Place them in a mixing bowl. Season with salt. Salt helps the chicken hold on to moisture so it stays juicy. Mix until the salt is absorbed. White pepper, it adds mild heat and aroma. Soy sauce, it adds savory umami taste. Dark soy sauce, it adds color. Cornstarch slurry. We have here 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. It helps the chicken to stay juicy by creating a light coating. Mix well. Add oil. It helps to seal the marinade and prevent sticking during stir frying. Let the chicken marinate while preparing the other ingredients. You can also marinate it for longer if you have more time. Cut baby bella mushrooms, scallions, onion, garlic, and ginger. To make a super tasty, better than takeout sauce, we're going to use soy sauce. It adds savory saltiness. Dark soy sauce adds color. Oyster sauce adds a rich umami taste. Chicken stock provides moisture. Cornstarch slurry. We have here a teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. It thickens the sauce. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Add the marinated chicken. Stir fry until completely cooked through for about 3 minutes. Your kitchen already smells amazing, right? Remove and set aside. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once hot, add the onion, baby bella mushrooms, garlic, and ginger. Stir fry for about 10 seconds until aromatic. Return the chicken and add the sauce. Stir fry everything together until glossy and evenly coated. Lastly, add the scallions. And that's it! The chicken is so tender it practically melts. The mushrooms soak up all that savory umami. You can pair it with rice or toss it with lo mein. Would you like a copy of my cookbook? It's linked in the description. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, follow, and like for more Asian recipes ready in 30 minutes or less. Thank you so much for watching.